Welcome student. Our today's point is isomerism in coordination compounds. Isomerism. We studied isomerism in alkanes, in alkanes, structural isomers. Structural isomerism, that is, for example, N-butane, isobutane. In case of pentane, N-pentane, isopentane, neopentane are the structural isomers to each other. Then in alkanes, we studied about geometrical isomerism, that is cis and trans isomerism, and example for this, that is butene and cis butene and trans butene. Similar to that, isomerism in coordination compounds. The coordination compounds having same molecular formula, but due to different arrangement of the ligands in its structure, they are having different chemical as well as physical properties. Compounds having same molecular formula but having different physical and chemical properties known as isomers of coordination compounds. In case of coordination compounds, there are two main types of isomers, that is stereoisomers and constitutional or structural isomers. Constitutional or structural isomers. In stereoisomers, there are also two types, that is geometrical isomers. Geometric isomers, also known as distereoisomers. Distereoisomers and optical isomers. Optical isomers, also known as enantiomers. Enantiomers. Constitutional or structural isomers are classified into four types, that is linkage isomers, ionization isomers, coordination isomers, and solvate or hydrate isomers. We will see one by one. First, stereoisomers. In stereoisomers, the compounds having same molecular formula but different spatial arrangement. Different arrangement of ligands in space around the central metal atom or ion, known as stereoisomers. That is geometrical and optical isomers. Geometrical or distereoisomers. Cis isomers and trans isomers. Cis isomers. In these isomers, similar ligands occupy adjacent, means nearer position, adjacent, shezari, adjacent position in this space known as cis isomers. Similar ligands occupy adjacent position known as cis isomers, while trans isomers, similar ligands occupy opposite position. Cis and trans isomers are shown by square planar complexes, means complexes having square planar geometry, as well as octahedral geometry. Octahedral complexes. But tetrahedral geometry, complexes having tetrahedral geometry does not show this cis and trans isomerism due to axis of symmetry. Examples: the compounds having cis and trans isomerism. For example, PT, NH3 twice Cl2. This is neutral complex known as cisplatin and transplatin. Its cis isomer NH3 Cl. आपण लिगॅंड हा बॉन्ड ॲरोच्या साहाय्याने दाखवू शकतो किंवा ॲरो न दाखवता डायरेक्ट लाईन लिहिली तरी चालते. इथं कुठलाही चार्ज येणार नाही कारण PT2 प्लस चार्ज हा 2 मायनस ने इथं बॅलन्स केलाय. हे झालं सिसप्लॅटिन. ट्रान्सप्लॅटिन. Due to different position in space, they having different physical as well as chemical property. Cisplatin, this is trans. It is used as an anti-cancer in cancer therapy. Used in cancer therapy. Transplatin does not have any physiological activity. Not have any physiological activity. As well as cisplatin, it is soluble in water. Insoluble in water. Cisplatin, it is polar and transplatin is non-polar. Means due to different spatial arrangement, they having different chemical properties as well as physical properties like color, their solubility, melting point, boiling point, etc. Then another examples. These cis and trans are shown by the compounds having formula A2B2 type compound plus or minus or neutral compound, or A2BC type of compound, as well as in octahedral complexes AA twice B2 compounds, as well as AA twice BC type of compounds. PT, Cl, Br, NH3, NH3, Ma2BC type. These two ligands are different. This is cis compound, trans compound. Then MAA twice BC. Where AA is a bidentate ligand. For example, CO, En twice Cl2, cis and trans. With the charge is +1 charge. Cis and transform. Coordinate bond, trans. Similar group lie on opposite position and its charge. Then if we take BC, means two ligands are different. Then it's cis and trans. Cr. If we use oxalato, OX, तर हा फॉर्म्युला होईल CrOH twice Cl Br and 3 minus charges. हे 4 minus and 5 and 6, 3 minus remain. 3 minus. This is cis and trans. Three minus trans. आपण कुठलंही एक्झाम्पल घेऊ शकतो. त्या ठिकाणी तुम्ही सेंट्रल मेटल चेंज करू शकता, लिगॅंड चेंज करू शकता. फक्त चार्जेस मात्र किती लिहायचे तर ते ऑक्सिडेशन स्टेट अँड चार्ज ऑन दी लिगॅंड यांची अल्जेब्रिक सम जी येईल ती आपल्याला इथं चार्ज म्हणून लिहावी लागते. These are the examples in square planar complexes and cis and trans in octahedral complexes. Then second, stereo isomers, that is optical isomers are enantiomers. Optical isomers are enantiomers only shown by octahedral complexes. Octahedral complexes. In square planar complexes, there is a plane of symmetry. Therefore, it is not shows optical isomerism. Optical isomerism, it is a phenomenon in which compounds having same molecular formula but they rotate plane of plane polarized light in different angle, in different direction. They having different activity towards plane polarized light. These are the chiral compounds. Those rotates plane of plane polarized light either clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction known as optical isomers to each other. When compound rotate plane of plane polarized light in clockwise direction known as dextrorotatory and denoted by small d or positive sign. And when the compound rotate the plane of plane polarized light in anti-clockwise direction known as levorotatory and denoted by small l or negative sign. This is dextrorotatory. These compounds are non-superimposable mirror images. Non-superimposable mirror images. जर आपण आपले हात जर बघितले तर हे काय झाले मिरर इमेजेस, आणि ते जर आपण एकमेकावरती जर ठेवले तर हे मॅच होत नाही. असे जे इमेजेस आहे त्याला नॉन सुपर इम्पोजेबल मिरर इमेजेस असं म्हटलं जातं. फॉर एक्झाम्पल ऑप्टिकल आयसोमेरिझम in octahedral complexes, that is the compounds having formula MAA thrice plus minus or MAA twice B2 as well as MAA twice BC type of compounds also shows optical isomers. For example, CO En thrice 3 plus Cr H2O thrice, sorry, AA twice, that is OX thrice, 3 minus of this type. Then for MAA twice B2, CO En twice Cl2 1 positive charge, PT OX twice Br2, total this is 4 minus and 2 minus, total 6 minus charge, balances by 4 minus, therefore -2 charge on complex ion. Ha coordination number 4, therefore oxidation state is +4. मग +4 ऑक्सिडेशन स्टेट असेल तर ह्याचे निगेटिव्ह चार्जेस ऑक्झॅलेटचे हे -4 आणि Br2 चे -2, टोटल -6 चार्जेस. -6 पैकी +4 चार्जेस बॅलन्सेस झाले, -2 चार्ज ऑन कॉम्प्लेक्स आयन. आणि हेच एक्झाम्पल आपण BC टाइप मध्ये घेऊ शकतो. PT OX twice Br Cl 2 minus चार्ज. त्याचे इनएन्शिओमर्स आपण स्ट्रक्चर दाखवू. CO plane, one above the plane, one below the plane. Three plus, and its mirror image. थ्री प्लस चार्ज. तर हेच कंपाऊंड आपल्याला सेकंड एक्झाम्पल घ्यायचं. CrOX thrice 3 minus. आपण सेंट्रल मेटल चेंज करू शकतो. हा Cr झाला आणि हा ऑक्झॅलेटो, म्हणजे इथं En ऐवजी आपल्याला OX लिहावं लागेल. OX फॉर ऑक्झॅलेटो. आणि आणखी चेंज करायचं आहे आपल्याला कॉम्प्लेक्सच्या चार्ज मध्ये 3 मायनस चार्ज. हे झाले मिरर इमेजेस. Then third example, COEN twice Cl2. This is Cl. One charge positive. These are mirror images to each other, and one is dextrorotatory, another is levorotatory enantiomers and non-superimposable mirror images. Then fourth example, PT, PR2, two minus charge. This octahedral complex also shows cis forms. These are mirror images, means these are enantiomers, and also both are in cis forms, similar group at the adjacent position. If similar group at the opposite position, it shows transform. Means same compound shows two types of isomers, that is geometrical isomers as well as optical isomers. हेच आपण असंही लिहू शकतो. बी आर ॲट दी अपोजिट पोझिशन. टू मायनस चार्जेस. आपण इथं हा ॲरो सुद्धा इथं लिहू शकतो टू शो कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड. If these two groups are different, Cl, this is Cl and Cl, enantiomers as well as geometrical isomers. Then second type of isomers in coordination compounds, that is structural or constitutional isomerism. Structural or constitutional. Isomerism. First one is linkage, ionization, coordination, and solvate or hydrate. Linkage isomers, these are the compounds having same molecular formula, but the ligand is linked to the central metal atom with two different atoms, and especially it is in ambident type of ligands. In case of ambident type of ligands, there are same formula, but attack of site is different in case of ambident ligands. Ambident ligands, that is nitrite, NO2 and ONO. Ligand is known as nitro and nitrito. SCN and NCS. Thiocyanato, isothiocyanato. CN and NC. That is cyanide and isocyanide. The attacking site, attacking atom is different. It may attack from nitrogen side or oxygen side, sulfur side or nitrogen side. In case of cyanide, carbon or nitrogen side. For example, CONH3 fifth NO2. Two plus charge and CONH3 5 ONO 2 plus charge. This compound is yellow in color while it is red in color due to different attacking atom. In case of linkage isomers, they having different color. Here nitrogen is linked to the central metal atom. Here oxygen is linked to the central metal atom. If we take another example, CO H2O5 SCN 2 plus and CO H2O5 NCS 2 plus. PT NH3 5 CN 6 1, therefore 3 plus, and PT NH3 5 ENC 3 plus. These are some examples of linkage isomers in which central metal is linked by different atoms. Then ionization isomers. Ionization, in which ligands are present. There is exchange of ligands in coordination sphere as well as ionization sphere, but compounds having same molecular formula. For example, CO NH3 5 SO4 Br and CO NH3 5 Br SO4. In this compound, there is a SO4 in coordination sphere, Br in ionization sphere. Here Br in coordination sphere, SO4 in ionization sphere. SO4 is balances secondary valence as well as primary valence. In this second compound, bromine balances secondary valence as well as primary valence. Therefore, there is exchange of ligands between coordination sphere and ionization sphere, that is primary valence and secondary valence. Another example, Fe NH3 4 CN twice and how much charge is remain? This is 2 plus and 2 minus. If it is 3 plus, then 1 minus charge, therefore Cl, and Fe NH3 4 Cl2 Cl. Then coordination isomerism. In coordination isomerism, there are different ligands different ligands in cationic complexes and in anionic complexes, and both cationic and anionic complexes balances the charges of each other. For example, CONH3 6, this is cationic complex having 3 plus charge, and CrCN6 having 3 minus charge, and these two charges are balanced to each other, forms a neutral complex. इथं NH3, इथं cyanide, and COCN minus CN6 3 minus and CrNH3 6, this is 3 plus, different ligands. Another example, PT NH3 6 4 plus and PT CN6 2 minus 4 plus, sorry, if we take another example of PT NH3 4 CN twice and PT CN6 NH3 twice. These are some examples of coordination isomers. Then last, solvate or hydrate. In solvate or hydrate isomers, there are different number of H2O molecule inside a coordination sphere. For example, COH2O6 Cl3. There is no H2O molecule in ionization sphere. It having violet color. COH2O5 Cl2, one H2O molecule in ionization sphere, it is blue-green in color, and 5 H2O molecule in secondary sphere, and COH2O4, this is H2O Cl, coordination number 6 dot Cl2. H2O, one H2O molecule and 2 Cl2 in coordination sphere, 1 Cl in ionization sphere, and 2 H2O molecule in ionization sphere having green in color. We also take another example by changing the central metal as well as ligands. If we take here Cr and here Br3, आपण सेंट्रल मेटल किंवा लिगॅंड एक लिगॅंड चेंज करू शकतो. हायड्रेट असल्यामुळे इथं फक्त आपण H2O मोलेक्युल घेऊ शकतो. दिस इज अबाउट आइसोमेरिझम इन कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड्स.